How to delete account in IC Markets. Here's what you have to do. I'm going to show you how you can delete a demo account, real account, and also how you can close your IC Markets account altogether. Once you sign into IC Markets, then you will click on accounts here. And if you want to delete demo accounts or real accounts, you just want to find the three dots for that specific account. And this is the closest thing you have to deletion. You can hide the account. Now, once you have hidden the account, you will no longer see it unless you click on view hidden accounts. And if you want to delete your real IC Markets account, then you will click on the support bubble here for chat, and it's going to tell you a bunch of stuff. And once this has finished talking to you, then you will type how to delete my account. And I'm just gonna give it here some time. Okay, so what is your name? I'm gonna say directly how to delete my account. And it is then going to ask you for your email address. So you will type your email address associated with your IC Markets account. Then you just gotta go through the prompts, and this is gonna help you close your IC Markets account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.